Ready to ditch the boring and inject some googly goodness into your Mi Band 4? Let's do this. First, fire up your favorite pixel art editor. Pixel is a great free option now. Think Google. Use the signature colors blue, red, yellow, and green. Design your main screen. Think about elements like the Google logo, playful icons, and clean, readable fonts. Consider incorporating elements from Google's material design. Keep it simple and prioritize readability. Make sure your time, date, and step count are easily visible. Experiment and have fun with it. Next, download the Mi Band for WatchFace Editor App. It's essential for importing your design and converting it into a format. The Mi Band 4 understands import each element individually and position them correctly. Use the preview function to check how your watch face looks on a virtual Mi Band 4. Make adjustments as needed to ensure everything aligns perfectly and is easy to read. Now, transfer the generated bin file to your smartphone. Open the Mi Fit app, navigate to your Mi Band 4 settings, and choose the option to install a custom watch face. Select the downloaded bin file. Boom! Your Mi Band 4 is now rocking a fresh, custom Google-themed watch face. Enjoy the personalized look and the enhanced user experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mi Band customization tips.